Okay, so here I am. I'm gonna try and dispose of an infestation of birds that we have in our in the upper area of the, what do you call this, a gable? What is this thing? I don't know.
Porch.
Our porch cedar framework here that we've got going on. Someone's built a nest right up in there, and if you can see, I've got a garbage can right down there. This is a 1 in a million shot. I don't know if 1 in a million, but the goal is get the nest in the garbage can, one try. Here you go. You guys get to see it right here and now. 1, 2.